Okay, let's do this Mongolian barbecue. I thought that let's do this. I thought that this is like what to say, not a buffet, so I'm surprised it's a buffet. Look at this. This evening. This is what I got. Yes, all this. Wow. And the meat. See that? Mongolian. All the sauce. And you will bring it here. Oh, we bring it here for cooking? Oh, that's nice. Then we cook it there. Buffet style. We did it this style. Like that. Wow. Okay, that's about it. No more customer. It's 10 o'clock. No, it's 7 o'clock. This is the raw mixture that I chose. With all these things. All the sauce. Our uncle is cooking my dish. Mine is like fish, chicken, shrimp, and beef. Can you imagine anything? Those stuff. This is Mongolian barbecue. I asked them to subscribe to my channel. That's what I do. And you watch it. Okay, it's done. I'm done with it. It's just like this. Like closing. I'm done. There it goes. Pull it back. Wow. Just like this. Okay. That's it. That's it. Oh wow. This is the finished product. I'm just gonna add some, I don't know what's this. Yeah, peanuts. Then some sauce. This is something crushed with pepper. I don't know what's that. So it becomes fried. Okay, fine. Good. Wow, looks good.